friends, today I've got a numbers puzzle. We've got numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And they go in order in this puzzle. Are you able to help me put them in order, please? Thank you. Now first, all the numbers are over here. So we've got to find the number 1. Can you see the number 1 anywhere? If you can, yell out and tell me what colour it is. Red? Yeah, there's number 1. And number 1 goes in like that. All right. Now we need to find number 2. Can you see number 2 anywhere? Tell me what colour it is. Purple. There it is. There's number 2. Excellent. That goes there. What's the next number? Number 3. And can you tell me what colour it is? Light blue. There it is. Number 3. So let's count what we've got so far. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. What number comes next? What comes after 3? Is it number 4? Yeah, of course it is. There's number 4 there. Hello, number 4. Looking good. Pop it in there. And the next number after number 4 is number 5. And there's number 5 right there. What number comes next? Can you let me know? What number? Yeah, number 6. There's number 6. All right. Let's count what we've got so far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've still got 3 numbers to go. You ready? What comes after 6? Number 7. Right there. And what comes next? Yes, number 8. It's this blue one, number 8. And of course, the next number is number 9. There we are. Thank you so much for helping me solve this puzzle, friends. This numbers puzzle. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yay! I hope you'll join me for another puzzle really soon.